Hello, I'm Sakshi Mainde. We have come here to experience Design Gadda. It was a really amazing workshop, and we learned so many things and experienced so many new things we've never heard before. And it was really fun and learning. And thank you for having us here.
Hello, I'm Sohani from Pearl Academy, and we came here for this workshop, which was really interesting. For me, the experience was twofold because we met so many new people, we socialized, and then we learned so many new things that I think would help me in my future. So, thank you for having us.
I'm Suhani Varade from MIT SD. So if we talk about the experience, it was really nice. Before this, I didn't know about the Gadda Yatra. When I experienced all of these things, it was really nice. I'm so grateful for being here. And if we talk about the campus, it was very good. The facilities and everything is really nice. And also the workshop. Studio is also nice. There are all the facilities, all the needed machines and everything. It was really nice. Yeah, that's it.
चांगलं वाटलं आम्हाला ह्यांना ऑनर करून त्यांचं सगळ्यांना एक चांगलं एक्सपिरियन्स देऊ घातलं. दॅट्स ऑल.
Ready, go.